हॅपी आहे इथं हे मम्मी ते दाखवते बघ हा कसं आहे काढूया काय काढूया ये काढूया ये जरा भाज्या लावूया.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Memories channel, and today I'm going to share with you all the planting of methi vegetable right from seeds. So you can see I have taken these raw seeds. These seeds are available in our Indian kitchen. So you can take these methi seeds. So you can also soak these methi seeds overnight for better germination, but here I have taken directly from our kitchen these methi seeds, and I have taken here the two pots, and the soil is really moist. So and I have just sprinkled the methi seeds just everywhere in the pot. So this soil is moist, and on that small soil I have just sprinkled these methi seeds. Now this methi vegetable is very healthy and very nutritious, and me and my husband, we really love the methi vegetable. But unfortunately here in France, in Europe, normally we don't get this methi vegetable so easily, and every year I grow this in my balcony, but this time I thought I'm going to share it with you all through my vlogs, how to grow these methi vegetables so that even you can grow in your garden. So you see, thoroughly I have sprinkled all the methi seeds in the pot, because some seed might germinate and some seeds might not germinate. So you fully sprinkle these methi seeds without doing any conjuicy, okay? The soil here I have taken is the normal soil without any vermicompost or anything. It's just the normal soil, no nutritional, nothing in it. It's just the normal soil. Now methi is the fastest growing veggies among all. I really like it. So you know, like it keeps on coming after every harvest. So I really like planting. This is one of my favorite plant to eat as well as to grow. And this growing of vegetable is really in an organic way without using any fertilizers. Now my experience with growing with the methi vegetable is like within 3 days all these seeds, they germinate very well and they start sprouting, and within 5 days you will have these baby vegetables, the baby methi vegetables and the saplings, and they are ready in around 7 days to 10 days. Whole vegetable is ready. Both the containers are ready with the sprinkled methi seeds, and you can see I have sprinkled it very well, thoroughly. Now I am going to cover all these methi seeds with a very heavy mud, but just a thin layer of a mud. So you can say like about 3 to 4 centimeters of mud, but you have to sprinkle it very lightly, you know, like on the seeds. And if you want, you can even wet these seeds before putting the soil layer. So you can even wet it, but yeah, you can put a very thin layer here, you can see. Now covering of the soil with these 2 pots is done. Now fill the mud only required. You see you have to leave this much gap for the vegetable to grow, so that you see 1 palm of my hand is reaching, so that the vegetable has an area to grow. It's done. Our planting. Now I have made these homemade markings. You can also mark these markings, and you can mark the growth of the vegetable. Now let's water these pots. Very slightly you have to water, not like putting holes in the mud, but very slightly you water, not to move the seeds but just slightly. So what I saw that within 3 to 5 days the seeds were germinated, and then within 1 week to 10 days the whole my pot was full of fresh, luscious, green methi vegetable. I cannot express this joy with you all. I was so happy, and every year I grow this, but this time it's amazing. Growing your own vegetables at home in your balcony, even though I have a very little space in my balcony, it gives me a great pleasure and great sense of satisfaction and at peace growing my own vegetables in our small balcony garden. So I hope you have enjoyed this video of how to grow the methi fenugreek vegetable in your balcony garden or in any container pots. And if you have liked it, please share with your family and your friends. And until next time, I'm going to see you all in our next vlog. Till then, take care. God bless you all. And until next time, keep making lots and lots of beautiful memories with this beautiful garden. I hope this video was helpful for you how to grow your own vegetable, methi vegetable. Enjoy and happy gardening. So bye bye until next time.